So this is where we are. Qualifier 2. Harare Bolts, the local team, take on the Cape Town Samp Army.
So the news from, well, not the middle, the side is that the Cape Town Samp Army have won the toss. They're going to have a ball. He's gone away, swinger, has to be out, has to be out. Once again, he has a wicket with his second ball. And this is absolutely plumb.
That's the one he called the backswinger. And he knew straight away. That appeal is one to say, I'm just waiting for you to raise your finger, Stanley Gogwe, and he did that. Sabir Rahman only lasts one. It's 1 for 1.
That's a poor delivery. You don't see that too often from Hotak, but this is a half tracker, and it's really just asking to be hit anywhere. Pulled, there is a man out there. Taken! What a catch! What a time to pull that off! Malanta cannot believe it.
Unreal, this catch. He's run a long way to his left. You won't see it in this shot. But to take the catch, extend the arm so that the elbows don't hit the ground and the ball doesn't have an opportunity to pop out. Great catch. Hamza Hotak in wickets early once again. Harare in trouble, 6 for 2.
That is a sensational cricket shot. It's like a keep your head down and drive it through straight into the bar.
Such a good shot. And he knew straight away.
Slapped again, a little bit of room outside off stump. It was Fuller, extension of the arms. This man is in some fine form.
George Munzi. He is a man on a mission.
Brilliant, absolutely sensational. Little bit of drift in from Case Ahmed, maybe just spun away.
I could almost call this reckless. He just looked like he didn't get to the pitch and didn't really fuss about trying really hard to hit the ball. How crucial is the dismissal of the captain, who's been prolific with the bat in hand. He goes for 5, 27 for 3 now, Harare.
Catch it now.
Now then, another chance. Can he rectify that mistake? He can. Listen to the captain. He is up for this. Of course he is.
Another wicket. And to another spinner. Ron Mustafa. No problem this time with Brian Bennett's catching technique. Harare Bolts are in a slight bit of trouble. 29 for 4. Munzi, the in-man, goes for 17.
That struck cleanly, that struck beautifully, that's 6. Good way to end the over. 6 done, 42 for 4.
Over.
Gone for 6. Jimmy Neesham.
Bit of a gift really, full toss, waist tight. Too easy for Jimmy Neesham.
That's smart, the hand is good, but not good enough.
Yeah, that's clever cricket. Extremely clever cricket from Jayasuriya.
Now an edge. More fortune in this over. 4-15 off it now. Floating power play, Rowan Gavaskar. You called it. That's smart, very smart, Jayasuriya.
And you've got to go hard now. That's good. Another boundary. You've got to put pressure. on Tawanda.
More runs. Another boundary.
Fabulous stuff from Jayasurya. Oh, good effort there. KS Ahmed. But they get 4. He's not connected as well as you'd have liked, and that's an excellent catch by the captain, Rohan Mustafa. Jimmy Neesham, he's got to go.
Such a clever bowler. So many change-ups, so many options. And a good catch by the captain. Comfortable as you like. Samp Army on their feet. Fist pumps. It's not yet done, gents. It's not yet done. But they're dangerous. Neesham goes for 17. Big shot through the cover region, but there's protection. They'll have to take 2, going to the keeper's end. Regulation. Superb fielding, superb bowling.
He's gone, he's not even in the picture. Jayasurya is walking at the moment.
Well bowled. Had no chance. What a final over. Just 4 runs from it. A run out and a wicket of Hotak. He finishes his spell with 3 for 9 in 2 overs. What an effort with the ball again. Revisit the batting card. I think when you look at that, the Bolts will be desperately disappointed. Jayasurya, the only shining light, with 39. Contribution from James Neesham, 17 of 18, just to make sure that partnership was a healthy one. Hotak 3 for 9 in his 2 overs. His season has been phenomenal. 1 for 8. Mustafa, he continues his good work in this season as well. In case Ahmed, he put his hand up today with 1 for 10. Cape Town need 199 from their 10 overs at a shade under 10 runs and over to see who gets to the final.
You don't bowl there to Brian Bennett. I think you've seen that in this tournament. Four. It's a very good start for Cape Town. Oh, that's going to be 4 more. So crisp off the bat from Brian Bennett. And then just opens the face. To go with wonderful ball striking, complemented with a bit of finesse. 16 for none. There's frantic calls of catch it, but it's gone 2 straight. Jimmy Neesham gives his best effort. Wow. That is unreal. The timing, unbelievable. 26 for none after 2. There's no catch. That will be taken, Brandon, because that's split extra cover and made off perfectly. 4 runs. Oh, I didn't think he would get there, Brian Bennett, but he has. 4 runs to start. Careful, Francois. Smashed by Brian Bennett. 6 runs over extra cover.
Yeah, you know what? I'm marveling at his ball striking, Tino, because he's not the biggest unit. Very lean. And the amount of work he puts on the ball. It's pure timing, and those wrists and that flourish at the end.
And this is a flat bat over the bowler's head. Brian Bennett has come to the party.
Slapped is the word, and slapped far.
another. 4 overs gone, 59 for none. Oh, that's in the air. It might land safe between the two fielders. Oh my goodness! No ways! Luke Jongwe, one hand over his right shoulder.
Totally agree with you, Tino. Toe end. Hangs and hangs and hangs. Here he comes. Right hand, Luke. Right hand. Right hand, yes! What a catch! What entertainment from the young man. He pulls off a blinder.
Oh, that's cleverly played. Using the pace and bounce of Gleeson to pick up a boundary. Oh, that struck sweetly. That's in the stands. That's a massive 6.
Must be a great feeling, thinking that you're out 1 minute, no ball, you get a chance with a free hit, you don't put that one away, and then watch. A ball that bowled him similar length, maybe that's slightly shorter. He rocks back, smashes it into the stand, and they're just 8 away from being in the final tomorrow against the Joburg Bangla Tigers. Are already shaking hands with their team owners, with Shaji Mulk.
Oh, beautiful shot for 4. Shouts of catch it, and he's dropped him, and they run through. They get 2. Cape Town Samp Army win by 9 wickets. This has been a spectacular performance. Harare bowls, got to 98 in their allotted 10 overs. Jayasuriya with 39, Munzi with 17, the 2 main scorers. Hotak, I thought, was excellent, 3 for 9 in his 2 overs. Mustafa 1 for 8 in his 2 overs. And KS Ahmed 1 for 10 in his 2 overs. It's the bowlers from the Samp Army who really set it up. In the chase though, Bennett got 46, Taylor 29 unbeaten, Mavuta got 1 for 23. Cape Town Samp Army won the match quite easily by 9 wickets.